Exhale as you bring your palms together in prayer position. Inhale, slowly stretch the arms over your head alongside the ears while you lift your heels as high as possible. Tighten abdomen, lengthen your spine. Exhale, lower your heels, palms. Inhale, slowly lift your arms over your head, lift your heels. Tighten abdomen muscle, lengthen spine. Exhale, put your palm in front of your chest, down your heels. Inhale, slowly lift your heels, arms over your head. Exhale, lower your palms, heels. Inhale, lift your heels, arms over your head. Tighten abdomen muscle, lengthen your spine. Exhale, lower your palms, heels. Inhale, lift your heels, arms over your head. Lengthen your spine. Tighten abdomen muscle. Exhale, relax. Separate your feet to the shoulder widths. Interlace your finger. Turn palm outward. Inhale, slowly bring arm over your head. Exhale, contract your abdomen while you bend your body to the right side. Lengthen your spine. Happy face, relax. Contract abdomen. Inhale, back center. Exhale, bring your body to the left side. Inhale, slowly bring body back center. Exhale, release. Interlace your finger, turn palm out, bring arm over your head. Exhale, bend the body to the side. Contract your abdomen. Inhale, back center. Exhale, bend your body to the left side. Tighten abdomen muscle. Inhale, back center. Exhale, release. Shoulders down and relax. Interlace your finger. Bring your arms over your head. Lengthen your spine. Exhale, bend the body to the right side. Inhale, slowly back center. Exhale, to the left side. Tighten abdomen muscle. Inhale, back center. Exhale, release. Interlace your finger. Bring arms over your head. Exhale, bend body to the right side. Inhale, back center. Exhale, bend your body to the left side. Inhale, back center. Exhale, release. Slowly bring your arms over your head. Look up. Exhale, bend the body to the right. Lengthen your spine. Inhale. Exhale, bend to the left side. Inhale, back center. Exhale, relax. Drop your shoulders down and relax. Put your feet together. As exhale, interlace your fingers. Inhale, stretch your arms over your head. Lengthen your spine, tighten your abdomen. Look up. Exhale, bend your body forward from your hips. Inhale, twist your body to the right side. Exhale, body to the center. Inhale, twist your body to the left side. Exhale, body to the center. Inhale, raise your body up, look up, lengthen your spine. Exhale, release. Inhale, stretch your arm over your head, look up, lengthen your spine. Exhale, bend your body forward, tighten abdomen muscle. Inhale, twist the body to the right side. Exhale, body to the center. Inhale, twist your body to the left side. Exhale to the center. Inhale, raise your body up, lengthen your spine upward, look upward. Exhale, release your arms, palms, relax. Inhale, stretch your arm over your head, lengthen your spine. Exhale, bend your body forward from your hips, tighten abdomen muscle. Inhale, twist your body to the right side. Exhale, body center. Inhale, twist the body to the left side. Inhale to the center. Exhale, release your body. Inhale, stretch your arms over your head, look up, tighten abdomen muscle. Exhale, bend your body forward from your hips. Inhale, twist your body to the right side. Exhale, body to the center. Inhale, twist the body to the left side. Exhale to the center. Inhale, raise your body up, look up, lengthen spine. Exhale, release your arms, palms. Inhale, stretch your arms over your head, lengthen your spine, tighten abdomen muscle. Exhale, bend the body forward. Inhale to the right side. Exhale to the center. Inhale to the left side. Exhale, body to the center. Inhale, raise your body up, look up, lengthen spine. Exhale, release your head, shoulders, arms, palms. Now, lay down on your abdomen. Straighten your arms over your head, forehead on the mat. Relax all your muscles for a while. Inhale, bring your palms beside your chest and raise your body up. Look upward, tighten abdomen and buttocks muscles. Exhale, turn your head to the right side. Inhale, turn your head to the left side. Exhale, body back center, lower your head on the mat. Relax. Inhale, rolling your shoulders backward and raise your body upward. Tighten abdomen muscles and buttocks muscles. Exhale, turn your head to the right. Inhale, turn your head to the left. Exhale, your body and head back center and lower them on the mat and relax your shoulders. Inhale, raise your body up, tighten abdomen muscle, look upward. Exhale, turn your head to the right. Inhale, turn your head to the left. Exhale, body and head back center and lower them on the mat and relax. Inhale, raise your body up, look upward, tighten abdomen muscle. Exhale, turn your head to the right, then to the left. Exhale, lower your body and relax. Continue doing it. Just remember your shoulder blades close. Always tighten your abdomen muscle and buttocks muscle because use that way to protect your lower back. So when you raise your body up, you should tighten your buttocks muscle and abdomen muscle. Continue do it. Relax your facial skin. No tension on your shoulders. Just continue. Good. Now we are going to another posture. Start in the kneel position, then bring your right knee upward to become lower squat pose. Sit on your left heel. Exhale, twist your torso to the right side. Look backward. Lengthen your spine, tighten abdomen muscles. Inhale, body back center, lengthen your spine. Exhale, twist your body to the right side again. Inhale, back center. Exhale, twist. Turn your head, look backward. Exhale, twist. Look backward. Inhale, back center. Exhale, twist your waist to the right side. Turn your head, look backward. Inhale, body back center. Continue do it. Relax your shoulders. Now, change to the left knee up. Sit on your right heel. Lengthen your spine. Shoulders relax. Exhale, twist to the left side. Look backward. Tighten abdomen muscles. Inhale, back center. Exhale, twist to the left side again. Shoulders relax. Tighten abdomen. Inhale, back center. Exhale, twist your body to the left side again. Inhale, back center. Exhale, twist. Turn your head, look backward. Tighten abdomen muscle. Inhale, back center. Exhale, twist. Shoulders relax, abdomen tight. Inhale, back center. Exhale, twist. Look backward. Tighten abdomen muscles. Inhale, back center. Lengthen your spine. Shoulders relax.